Jamaica.
She's followed by Guyana and Nepal. Oh. Okay.
Jamaica!
Wagwan! My name is Toni-Ann Singh. I am a 23-year-old women's studies and psychology student from the beautiful parish of St. Thomas. My motto is, as we let our own lights shine, we unconsciously give others permission to do the same. One love, one heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. I am already so grateful to be a part of the Miss World legacy. And honestly, with or without this crown, I will continue to use this platform to advocate for the education and the holistic development of women.
Now, you're one of 28 grandchildren, is that true? So my question to you is, are you Greek?
You would think so, but I think that in Jamaica we have that same... I guess we do that same thing, you know, we have large families and...
No TVs?
Yes, no, and I'm very grateful for my large family. They're the reason that I'm here now, and they're the reason that I'm so adamant about sharing warmth and love with the rest of the world, because you guys are here and you know that's what you've given me. Thank you.
Well, congratulations, Jamaica! Congratulations to you.
Jamaica!
Okay, Miss Jamaica.
Hello.
I love Jamaica.
Really? Me
I love
too.
Jamaica. My friend's Chris Gale, the cricketer.
Yeah.
Usain Bolt, the sprinter. All my
Okay.
favourite people come from Jamaica. So they'll all be watching, cheering you on.
Hello.
Why should you win? What's special about you?
I think I represent something special. A generation of women that are pushing forward to change the world. I wouldn't say I'm different from any of the women on this stage, but I will say that my passion for women and pouring into them and making sure they have the same opportunities that I've had is something that sets me apart.
Who's the most inspiring woman for you in the world?
So you asked me a question to make me cry. Well, okay. The most inspiring woman to me is my mother. Now I must say, if my mother and my father are the roots and I am the tree, then really any work that I do, anything that I'm able to change in the world, it is the fruit of their labor. I have watched her pour everything into me, even at the sacrifice of her own wants and her own needs, and that's why I'm able to sit before you today. Thank you. I was told you were going to make me cry, but I didn't think this way.
It took me less than 2 minutes. That's how good I am. Great to meet you.
We have to move on to the next one. Thank you, Jamaica. Tremendous.
Welcome back to Miss World. Now, this lady amazed us taking the Miss World talent title, but now she takes to the stage for her biggest ever performance. With I Have Nothing, it's Jamaica!
Take me for what I am.
Miss World 2019 is... Jamaica.
Toni-Ann Singh from Jamaica is crowned Miss World 2019. There you have it. We've had a fantastic evening, or afternoon even. We've crowned a new Miss World from Jamaica. Even better night for you.